A bit of baking soda combined with these two other ingredients can make growing vegetables a breeze. Today, I'm sharing a secret formula used by experienced farmers to help you grow green, healthy, organic vegetables. Whether you're planting garlic, greens, cucumbers, beans, tomatoes, peppers, or any other vegetables, this method will work for you. But before I share the details, please hit the heart and save this post so you don't lose it. You won't need pesticides or fertilizers, yet your crops will thrive, producing abundant and large fruits and vegetables. The secret is to mix 100 ml of vinegar, 50 grain of salt, and 100 gram of agricultural baking soda into 30 liters of water. Spray this mixture evenly on the leaves of your plants. Not only does it keep pests away, but it also makes the leaves lush and green, and the plants will grow more vigorously. Did you get that? Follow me for more daily tips on agricultural planting techniques.